In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for language practice, specifically for improving your grammar through speaking exercises. Whether you're learning English or another language, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool to help improve your conversational skills and enhance your understanding of grammar in a friendly and efficient manner. To get started, head over to chat.openai.com. This is where you'll find ChatGPT, an AI developed to help with various tasks, including language learning. Once you're there, you'll want to start a new chat session. This chat will be specifically for your speaking practice, and having a dedicated space will help keep your exercises organized and focused. Now go ahead and recall something you've said during your recent practice. It could be a simple sentence or a series of sentences. For instance, you might remember saying something like, "I go to market yesterday and I buy some fruits." Once you have your sentence ready, type or dictate it into the chat box. Ask ChatGPT to correct your grammar while keeping the original meaning intact. This will give you the chance to see how your sentence could be improved and learn from your mistakes. After submitting your sentence, ask ChatGPT for corrections and a brief explanation of the grammar rule. You could request something like, "Could you please correct the grammar of this sentence and explain the rules you used in simple terms?" This step is crucial because understanding the rationale behind the correction will help reinforce your learning. The explanations should be clear and easy to digest, providing you with insight into why certain words are used in specific ways. Once you've gone through a few sentences, it's time to put your new knowledge to the test by replying to some simple questions. Ask ChatGPT to pretend to be your speaking partner. Request 3 straightforward questions that you might encounter in daily life. For instance, questions like, "What did you have for breakfast today?" "What is your favorite hobby?" or "How was your day?" Practice answering these in written form, being mindful of the grammar rules you've just learned. After you provide your answers, ask ChatGPT to review them for grammatical accuracy. A request like, "Please correct my grammar and give me some feedback on my responses," will prompt ChatGPT to be both detailed and constructive. As it corrects your responses, note the explanations given, as they will further solidify your understanding of proper grammar usage. The beauty of using ChatGPT for this practice is that you can repeat these steps as many times as necessary, allowing you to continually practice and improve at your own pace. In this way, ChatGPT becomes a tireless tutor, available anytime you need a grammar check or a bit of advice. Thanks for watching, and remember, practice makes perfect, and every little exercise brings you a step closer to fluency.